Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox the Insta360 Mic Air. I got the one that has a transmitter and receiver. The Mic Air can only be connected via Bluetooth on selected Insta360 products. At this time, these are the X4, X5, and Action Ace Pro 2. I got this with a receiver so I could also use this with my phone to help us capture our experiences and memories by providing clear audio. Let's get into it. To open the box, let's remove the two seals at the bottom. Upon opening, we are greeted with the paperwork, namely the user manual and the initial pairing tips. After that, we have here the carrying case that contains the Mic Air. Upon opening, we'll see the other mic accessories that come in the box. First, we have the wind guard. There's also a magnetic pendant, the magnetic clip, and of course, the charger. On the other side of the carrying case, there is the USB-C receiver, which is needed if you want to use the Mic Air to a phone or other action cameras. And here we have the star of the show, the Insta360 Mic Air, which is very light and very small, which is good for convenience, but bad if you're like me who's forgetful, so it might get lost. Then lastly, there's the button magnet. So let's try to connect the Mic Air to our Insta360 X5 here. To do that, we need to power on the Insta360 X5. Then let's swipe down and find the Bluetooth settings. In it, let's choose the one that says Bluetooth headset/microphone. Let's now turn on the Mic Air. We need to keep an eye out on the indicator light here. To connect via Bluetooth, the light needs to be blue and flashing fast. If it's cyan, it would try to connect to the receiver instead, so keep that in mind. When in pairing mode, it would now appear in our X5 screen. Let's click on it and give it a few seconds to pair. And there we go. It's now connected and we can use this now. You'll know that it's connected if you see the green light flashing on top of the X5 screen. The great thing about this mic when connected to the X5 is you could use it as a remote. Click it once to record a video, and press it once again to stop recording. It also just takes a few seconds to reconnect automatically with the X5 after it's powered on. Now let's do a quick audio test. I'll simulate a noisy cafe and see how this microphone will perform. Let's start. So here's what it sounds like with just the audio from the iPhone 15 Pro Max that I use in filming this. Now, let's switch to the Insta360 Mic Air. Here's how it sounds like with the Insta360 Mic Air. Is the difference noticeable between this tiny mic and the built-in microphone from the iPhone? Comment down below. Now, let's try to enable the noise cancellation feature. For comparison, let's try to enable voice isolation in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the voice isolation is now enabled in the iPhone. Is my voice still clear and does the background noise reduce? How does it sound like? So now, let's try to enable the noise reduction in the Insta360 Mic Air. So here's how it sounds like with the Insta360 Mic Air with noise reduction enabled. Is it better? Can you still hear something in the background other than my voice? Comment down below which sounds better. I really like to know your thoughts on this. So that is all for today. I'll be posting my in-depth review of this Mic Air together with the Insta360 X5 in the coming weeks after I use them thoroughly. So stay tuned for that. This is Well from Well Experience. Thank you for watching and join me again on the next video where I share my experiences. Bye.